demonstrate air layering in Guava, a simple and effective method of vegetative propagation. First, select a healthy, pencil-thick branch that is about 1 year old. Next, remove a ring of bark about 2.5 to 3 centimeters wide from the selected branch. Scrape the exposed surface gently to remove the green cambium layer. This prevents the bark from growing back. Next, prepare a moist rooting medium by mixing soil and compost in equal proportions. The mixture should be moist enough to hold together, but not excessively wet. Add a suitable rooting hormone to the mixture and mix it gently. The rooting hormone promotes faster and healthier root development, while the soil and compost provide moisture, nutrients, and support for the developing roots. Take a handful of this prepared rooting medium and wrap it evenly around the exposed portion of the branch, making sure it completely covers the girdled area. Cover the rooting medium with a transparent plastic sheet and tie both ends tightly using thread or tape to keep the moisture inside. Make sure the wrapping is secure so that the rooting medium does not dry out. Leave the branch undisturbed and check it occasionally to ensure the rooting medium remains moist until roots begin to develop. After 30 to 35 days, healthy roots develop inside the wrapped portion. Once the roots are clearly visible, cut the branch below the rooted area and transplant it into a pot or nursery bag for further growth. Thank you for watching.